Morning, everyone. I'm hearing a lot of advertisements on the radio right now of these big personal tax firms, and I won't name them for obvious reasons, telling people to come in and get their taxes done early. Get them done early, get them done, get them over with. And if you are that person with one T4, one job, and nothing else going on, sure, you can go and get that done at one of these places, and you can get it done early. They're still not going to be able to file it until February 20th. That's just fact. My other question is, if you just have one T4, why aren't you doing your own taxes? There are many free services out there that will allow you to do your basic personal taxes for free. The ones I know of are Wealth Simple, UFile. Oh, and I can't remember the name of the other one, but there are free services out there. So if that's you and you want to get your taxes done on, February 12th, 15th, whatever, before the actual filing window is open, and then you can do that. But if you're not that person, if you have other income, you're probably going to be missing slips. Geez, you can even still contribute to an RSP before the end of the month and claim that on your 2023 taxes. So it doesn't make any sense to me. I know for my office, we don't start taxes until March 1st, and even then, we have people that don't have all their information. So, and that's 10 days after the filing window opens. So it's just not a good idea. Make sure you have all of your information before you file your tax return. If you miss a slip, even if the slip is for $1, and then within the next 3 years, if you miss another slip and that slip is for $10,000, it costs you penalties on missing that slip. Okay, it can be a huge thing. So that little tiny slip that you missed might actually end up costing you a lot of money. So get your taxes done when you have all of your information, and don't pay somebody to do your simple 1T4 taxes. It's not worth it. Okay, so I hope that helps. Take care of yourself, take care of your family, take care of your friends, and be well.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok, all of which are linked in the description below. We're more than just an accounting firm. We do business consulting and media creation for our small businesses. Consider checking us out. It would really mean a lot. Hope to see you soon.